Hey guys, let's see how to fix the Tapo C211 not recording. So it's super simple, you just need to check some things here and make it work. You see here that I have my camera working close to the window, and the first thing that I have to check here is if the camera is recording or not. You just come here to the playback and download, and from here you can check the recordings. You see it's not live anymore, just the recordings here, and if it's recording by motion detection, so it can detect person, it can also detect general motion, and you see here that I have everything here by motion or by person detection, right? So I see that's recording now, so I'm pretty sure that I have the recording here, and I can also download everything here after the recording, right? So let me just check here the SD card, for example. I just come here to the camera, and here on the settings I can just come and go to the storage and recording, and I see that I have a local recording, it's enabled here, and I have my SD card. See, that's good with the looping recording, which means the camera is going to delete old videos and record the new ones. You can just click here to format the SD card as soon as you install the card there. Let me just bring the camera here so you see the card. You can install an SD card here just in the slot that you have down here. You just move this up and put the SD card here. Okay, let me just turn the camera off so I can remove the card. I prefer to do that way. I just removed from the power supply, and here you see that I can just remove the card. There we go. Pull it out like so, and I have a Lexar SD card here, which is a good one for this camera. Make sure you get a good SD card because the camera can record in high resolution, and with a good SD card is going to work pretty fine, right? Make sure that I have the card here, and you can just format the card. So just insert the way. I'll leave the link here in the description for this card, and then you move this back down like so, right? Put the camera back there and turn it on, and just connecting the camera here to the power supply again. Wait for the camera to come up. The camera is going to turn horizontally with the pan movement and also vertically with the tilt movement, and be ready to go, right? They take some time, like 30 to 40 seconds, and it starts working again. And remember that the loopy recording needs to be checked, or otherwise the camera is not going to delete the old videos. So that's what you want, right? Record always new and old, delete the old videos. You see the camera is almost ready to go. And then you can just come here and check other things as well. Recording schedule. You see that I have continuous recording and also detection recording. So you can just come here, edit. You see here that I can just paint for continuous or for detection recording. Let me say that I want to paint here for detection recording. You can just come here and start painting like this, and then I save. And there is also no recording when it's white, right? I just save here, and it's for the every day on the week and every hour, and I'm good to go. Record sound as well, and detection. Here it is important that you have the entire area detecting motion, and motion detection is enabled here. I can adjust the sensitivity. Perhaps yours is all the way down, so that's the reason it's not working. Just adjust accordingly. Usually like 6 is a good one, but you can just adjust the way it works better for you, for motion detection and also for person detection. It's on right now. The sensitivity is also good here, and then the camera should work. You also have the option for camera tampering. If somebody blocks the camera, it's going to trigger an alarm here and record based on the tampering, right? And baby crying as well. So that's what I have to check. Detection, if the card is there, the storage, and the card is there and formatted, and also the recording schedule, right? And then you should be good to go. Your camera will be recording. Oh, there's also an option to record here on the, let me just come here, see that I have camera, and I have an option for hub storage. If you have a hub storage from Tapo on your network, you can also select the hub storage, and back there on the hub, I have an SD card. As you can see, I can record there as well, right? If you don't have it, you can just record into the camera, or you can record into the cloud as well. If you have a 30-day trial. You can just start with the 30-day trial and record there. And after this, you're gonna pay monthly to record back there as well. And when you play back, you can see here the card or the storage. It's up to you to select where you have your recordings. I don't have recordings on the cloud, but I do have recordings here in the card, right? So I hope that helps. That's the way you can fix the problem with the Tapo C211 not recording, right? Check the cloud, check the SD card, check the motion detection, check the schedule, and make sure that I have a good SD card, which I will leave the link here in the description. I hope that helps. Just give your thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.